You'll get to the point where you want to retire the infrastructure made in your CDK project. So let's add another package script for a command called destroy. And then we can do an npm run destroy. And it says, are you sure you want to delete the stack? And yes, we do. Okay, and CloudFormation has cleared down the stack. It's worth noting that we don't necessarily get everything in our stack deleted, depending on the deletion policy. So let's just do a quick synth into a file and see what the template would have looked like before we deleted the stack. And we can go resource by resource and see if any have a deletion policy set. If they don't, then they get the default, which is that they will be deleted. Just something to bear in mind if you're wondering why resources are still hanging around after an npm run destroy or a CDK destroy.